Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Chauvinistic Travelers. Today we have come up with a new video on Aircraft Museum, Kolkata. The exemplary warfare aircraft Tupolev Tu-142M is one of the most attraction spot in Kolkata. Here is the ticket booking counter. You have to keep the ticket with you while you enter inside the aircraft. It covers an area of 2.2 acres of land, which is allotted by HIDCO. The setup cost was approximately 11 crores. You can see the aircraft now. This aircraft has the fastest and heaviest flying turbo-propeller war machine. So it is referred to as the Bear by NATO. It weighs around 90,000 kgs and it is 175 foot long. It has been in service for nearly 3 decades from 1988 to 2017. In the whole service tenure, it has flown around 30,000 accident-free flying hours and had covered 23,25,000 kilometers, which is equivalent to revolving around the earth for about 50 times, and it can stay afloat for 16 hours at a stretch. Tupolev Tu-142M was used by the Navy for anti-submarine warfare operations and long-time maritime reconnaissance. This aircraft has been the part of major naval operations, which are Operation Cactus in the year 1988 in Maldives, Operation Vijay in Kargil War in the year 1999, and Operation Parakram in the year 2002. This aircraft has 4 engines and 8 propellers. Having the heaviest and longest turbopropeller war machine, it is also referred to as Albatross for its outspread wings. The aircraft has a fuel consumption of 6 tons per hour and the top speed of the aircraft is 900 km per hour. This is the empennage, that means the tail of the aircraft. The gunners are positioned at this point. The guns have the capacity to fire 8-inch bullets at a rate of 1200 rounds per minute. This aircraft was designed by Tupolev Design Bureau of USSR. It was brought in pieces from INS Rajali near Chennai, which is the naval air station in Tamil Nadu. Later it was reassembled and installed in New Town, Kolkata by KMDA, Kolkata Metropolitan Development Authority. After the installation, the project was handed to HIDCO, Housing Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. This aircraft museum was collaborated with the Indian Navy and the state government to preserve the maritime history for educational purposes. They have created a small park for the kids with outdoor game facilities and refreshment counter, along with pleasing topography. So if you want to experience the aircraft and want to know about the features, you have to definitely visit this aircraft museum. Photography and videography inside the aircraft is strictly prohibited. Thanks for watching our video. Hope to see you soon on our next vlog. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.